guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a get ready with me and installing this wig I have on, and also doing my everyday makeup routine. I have installed this wig on my channel before, so if you do want to watch that video, go ahead, because I don't get into that much detail about this wig that much. But I did do a little more to this wig. My camera did die when I was about to do the finishing touches on this wig, so I'll just explain it now. So I did kind of pluck some of the middle part a little bit more, and also pluck the front part a little bit. This is I'll say it's a 4x4 closure. So I plucked the part, I plucked the edges a little bit more. I used the edge wax to lay it down, then I pressed it. And yeah, I haven't wore this, I wore this wig maybe the first when I installed it the first time, but I just wanted to reinstall it because it's just so cute. I can't let this cute wig go to waste, you know what I mean? So stay tuned and watch me reinstall this wig and get my face together, beat my face down. for this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!